this is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and it's so nice of you to drop by today. I was just sitting outside thinking, you know, it's such a lovely day today. The sun is shining, it's so bright. It would be a perfect day to have my signature summer drink. And my signature summer drink is a salty dog. If you do not know what that is, it is a coastal summer drink. It is made with grapefruit juice, vodka, some lime, and a salted rim. It is quite delicious. Oh, and let me not forget, it also features a sparkling lime or a sparkling lemon soda. Oh, it's just so delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. But before we get to making our signature drink, today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly Davis over from Diva Designing on a Dime. And what Marilyn and Kimberly have asked us to do is to create a summer bar cart and to also feature a drink for the summer. So today's video is part of the Summer Bar Cart Collaboration 2020. You know, I was thinking this year has been so crazy, so weird. Yeah, I've not felt really like myself. It's just, I don't know. Things have been weighing very heavily on me lately. And I just wanted to create a little oasis in my home since we are not going to be able to get away for the summer. So I created a coastal summer home for the summer. I have done several videos. I will leave links to those videos down below in case you are interested in seeing those. I think you would really like them. And yeah, since I can't go to the beach and relax and just get away from everything, I thought I would bring summer vibes to my home. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. And if you are new here and we are just meeting, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a whole lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something that you love as well, decorating your home and not spending a lot of money, then please join the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So let's get on with our signature drink, and then I'll show you my summer bar cart. All right, guys, so the first thing we have is our shot glass, and we are going to cut our lime, and we are going to rim our glass with some lime juice. So we're going to take it, we're going to go around the glass like so, and then we are going to take our salt and salt our glass. We are going to add some ice. Then we are going to add our sparkling lemon water. Guys, if you have not tried this, I don't know what you've been waiting on, but it's so delicious. So make sure you run out to the Dollar Tree and get some of the sparkling drink. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to add our ruby red grapefruit. I just picked this one up from the Dollar Tree. Normally I use Ocean Spray, but I did not make it to the grocery store, so this will work just as well. So we'll put 1, 2. And then we are going to add our vodka, which I forgot, so hold on just a second. Okay, so I'm back, and we are going to use 2 ounces of this platinum vodka. Whoops. And we're going to pour that in. And I don't have a stir stick. We're just going to use our finger. It's our drink. No one's going to care. So let's see how this drink tastes. It looks delicious. Guys, so here is a look at my bar cart for this collaboration. This is my tropical summer bar cart. As you can see, I have some florals that mimic the florals that were in my tropical barscape. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box down below, so you can check that out if you would like. So I have this clear white vase that I picked up from Ross. It was $5.99, and I think it went perfect with the bar because my bar card is a smoky black glass, so I thought that would be perfect. I have paired it with a piece of coral. My summer decor is coastal for this year, so I thought this would look perfect here. I also paired it with a pineapple. The pineapple also came from Ross. The coral came from TJ Maxx. These glasses are plastic. I bought them to use outside, but I thought they would look perfect here on my summer bar cart. These were on clearance and they came from Home Goods. This pear drink also came from Home Goods. I can't wait to try it. It was on clearance for $2, and I love all things pear, so I thought that would be perfect. So I picked up 2 bottles, and if you have not tried these Pellegrino drinks, you are missing out. Like, these are delicious. You guys really need to try it. And I am going to be using these to make our tropical drink to go along with this video. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. And I picked up these napkins from the Dollar Tree. I thought they went perfect because it says tropical vibes only. These Pellegrino drinks also came from the Dollar Tree. I got several different flavors. This little bar sign came from the Target dollar spot. I have this bar towel that I picked up from Joann's. It's black and white and screams tropical. Has the little toucan on the front with some palm fronds. And I thought it was absolutely perfect for the bar cart. The middle shelf didn't change too much. It's still the same. I have my martini shaker and all accoutrements down there. And on the very bottom, I have some sand dollars, or not sand dollars. I guess they're like sea urchin type decorations. I've had these for several years, and I do not even know where they came from, so I am so sorry. But these clear little glasses with the stoppers, they came from Dollar Tree, and they have little starfish on the top, so I thought it was absolutely perfect, and I put those on the cart. So this is my tropical summer bar cart. This is how it's looking for the summer. Not too busy, I don't think. As minimal as it's going to get. And I like it, so I hope you do as well. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up and comment and share with your friends. Let me know what you think of my tropical summer bar cart. All right, guys, so here is our salty dog. Let's see how it tastes. It's very refreshing. Very, very good. So, I would like to thank Marilyn from Fabulous Design on a Budget and Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this summer bar cart collaboration. It is always so much fun, ladies. I hope you try my signature summer drink. If you do, please tag me on Instagram or leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like the salty dog. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome summer. Everyone stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.